Now to the global concern over the Ebola outbreak. The World Health Organization has upgraded the outbreak risk in the Democratic Republic of Congo to very high at the national level. This is because the organization says the disease is quickly spreading in Central Africa. Now, the WHO says that the global risk remains low, and health officials continue to say that this is not the next global pandemic.
Jen Sullivan has details on the outbreak and the U.S.'s response to curb infected travelers from entering.
The Ebola outbreak in Central Africa is spreading rapidly and is now being described by the World Health Organization as deeply worrisome.
Welcome to our
Friday, the WHO holding a press conference where they raised the national threat level of Ebola in Congo to very high.
There are several factors that warrant serious concern about the potential for further spread and further deaths.
The global risk for spread remains low, but WHO officials are pushing for a global response.
This is one of these situations where it's sort of an all hands on deck, and we want to make sure that everybody is coordinated in their action and working together.
As of Friday, the death toll in Congo climbed to nearly 200, with about 750 suspected cases. Unlike the more common Zaire strain, this particular strain, known as Bundi-Bujo, is extremely rare, and there's no approved vaccines or treatments.
It's a disease that, generally speaking, is very dangerous because it's a virus that multiplies very rapidly, instantly. It's very rapid.
As a precaution, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention this week issued a 30-day travel ban for non-U.S. citizens and permanent residents traveling from Uganda, South Sudan, or Congo. And any U.S.-bound flight carrying passengers who were recently in an Ebola-affected region of Africa will land at airports in Atlanta, Houston, or Dulles outside of D.C. to undergo health screenings.
We can't have it affect the United States. We can't have Ebola cases coming here.
Earlier this week, a flight bound for Detroit was redirected to an airport in Canada after a Congolese passenger boarded in error. I'm Jen Sullivan reporting.